We are going to be bisecting an angle and copying an angle today. So when you look at this, it says when bisecting an angle, you need to use your straight edge and compass. And bisecting means to split it in half. So no matter what the size of your angle is, you can split it in half. So to split an angle in half or bisect it, you are going to start with creating an arc across the entire angle. Once you have that arc, you're going to measure that arc from the top of it to the bottom of it where that angle is. So now we're trying to get the distance across that arc.
Ms. Tree Fry, does it matter how long your arc is?
It just needs to go all the way through your angle. So as long as it goes all the way through your angle, even if it's over 180 degrees, it just has to go all the way through it. So now, at this point, I found that distance so that now I can go from each point and cross the arcs. When I cross the arcs, I know I'm going to use my straight edge. For any of you Ghostbuster fans, it's like crossing the streams. Ha ha ha. So we're going to draw from the point or the beginning of the angle all the way through that arc, and that is bisecting the angle. You could always check it out with your protractor. You could always do it mathematically. You could look at this. This is a 40-degree angle, so this should be going through at 20 degrees. Now, I wasn't perfect. It looks like my line down here isn't exactly on the point, so that's why I'm off by a degree. But accuracy does matter, so I think you're going to do better than I did. So, next, we're going to copy a given angle using our straight edge and our protractor. So, with our protractor, it's important that you're getting used to drawing and measuring angles. So, when I look at this, it's going through right at 25 degrees. So when I come over here, I need to make sure, remember, anytime you use this, that T is where we line everything up. So now I come over here and I place my T at that corner or end of the line, and we go out to that 25 degrees and we make our point. And remember, when I'm going from this direction, I'm starting from 0 down here, so I'm looking at this as 10, 20, 30, and so on. The inside circle when I start from the right, and of course, if I were to start from this side, I'm going on the outside because I'm going left to right, so I always have to start at 0 no matter what. So, keeping that in mind, I now have my mark at 25 degrees, use my straight edge, draw my line, don't forget, this is a ray, starting point goes on forever, and I can double check, and it looks good, 25 degrees, and we can write that in there, and that little circle above means degrees. So now we have identical angles. That's it for today. Have fun with angles.